Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video is going to be really helpful for you. Today I have bought two fresh opportunities. One is from top consulting company that is Deloitte and another one is from Kerafood Technologies. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's start with the first one. The company is Deloitte and they are hiring for the role of consultant Golang in Bangalore. Now, this is a very interesting role because it is focused on backend development using Golang, which is a very high demand skill right now. In this role, you will be working on building backend services, creating APIs, and integrating systems with third party services. So, basically, you will be developing the core logic that runs applications behind the scenes. You will also work on improving performance, making sure applications run smoothly, and fixing issues whenever needed. And since it's Deloitte, you will be collaborating with different teams, so you will get good exposure to real industry projects. Now, coming to the skills, they're expecting strong knowledge of Golang, along with that, understanding of microservices architecture and API development. If you have worked with tools like Docker or Kubernetes, that's a big plus. You should also be familiar with databases like PostgreSQL or MongoDB and have a basic idea of cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP. Even concepts like concurrency, Go routines, and Git are also important for this role. Now, talking about eligibility, freshers can apply, so if you are from 2025 batch, you are eligible. Let's talk about the salary. Even though the official salary is not disclosed based on current data, freshers in this role can expect around 7.5 to 13.5 LPA, which is actually very strong for an entry level role. Now, coming to the second opportunity, the company is Kerafood Technologies and they are hiring for the role of Salesforce developer in Pune. This role is also open for freshers, but it's a bit more specialized compared to general software roles. In this job, you will be working on Salesforce platform, mainly focusing on Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. So you will also customizing business processes like lead management, opportunity tracking and customer support system. You will also build automation using tools like Flows, Process Builder and Apex, which are the core parts of Salesforce development. Another important part of this role is integration, meaning you will connect Salesforce with other systems and services. Now, coming to the skills, they are expecting knowledge of Apex, LWC, Visual Force, SOQL, and overall architecture. You should also understand APIs, data modeling, and basic debugging skills. Even if you have done projects or certifications in Salesforce, that will help you a lot. Now, talking about the salary, the package for this role ranges between 3 to 6 LPA, which is decent for starting, especially in a specialized domain like Salesforce. So, yeah, these were the two quick opportunities. One is a high paying backend role with Deloitte, and another one is a Salesforce developer role. Make sure to check out the links in the description box. And for more such job opportunities, internships, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.